How does Gzip Brotli compression optimize CDN performance? Have you ever wondered how websites load so quickly? One of the secrets lies in the way content is delivered over the internet. Today, we will look at how Gzip and Brotli compression play a vital role in optimizing performance for content delivery networks, also known as CDNs. Gzip and Brotli are both compression algorithms that help reduce the size of files before they reach your device. This is especially useful for text-based files like hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets, JavaScript, extensible markup language, and JavaScript object notation. By compressing these files, CDNs can send less data over the network, which leads to faster load times. First, let's talk about bandwidth. When files are smaller, they consume less bandwidth. This is important because less data traveling from the CDN's edge servers, known as points of presence, to users means lower costs and less strain on the network. CDNs manage a massive amount of traffic globally, so every bit of bandwidth saved helps. Next up is latency. Smaller files mean they can be transmitted more quickly. This results in faster page loads and a reduced time to first byte. The CDN's architecture also helps here, as it places content closer to users. This geographical advantage further cuts down on delays. Now let's compare the two compression methods. Brotli generally provides better compression ratios than Gzip. It can reduce file sizes by an additional 15 to 25% compared to Gzip. This means Brotli can deliver even smaller files, making the CDN more efficient. Brotli uses advanced techniques, including a detailed static dictionary and effective encoding methods. It also tends to decompress faster on the client side, which means a better experience for users. However, Brotli does requiring more processing power during compression, especially at higher levels. This can introduce some latency if the compression happens dynamically at the edge. To manage this, CDNs often precompress static content using Brotli at optimal levels. For dynamic content, they might use Gzip or lower levels of Brotli to keep server response times quick. In summary, Gzip and Brotli compression are key players in optimizing CDN performance. They help shrink file sizes, reduce bandwidth usage, and lower latency, all while speeding up content delivery. Brotli's superior compression makes it a popular choice for static assets, while Gzip remains effective for dynamic content. This optimization is essential for CDNs as they work to deliver content efficiently across the globe.